How to log in to Green Employee Portal. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Green Shades is a payroll and HR solutions that covers platforms such as payroll, human resources, benefit management, tax and compliance, and time and labor management. If you want to log into your Green Employee Portal, you simply have to open up any web browser and then search for greenshadesonline.com and press enter. Now on this webpage, you're going to find this portal where the administrator account login can be done. So if you are the administrator, you can simply enter your email address and password, then click on the login option. However, if you are not an administrator, you want to log into your Green Employee Portal, you want to click on this option that says not an administrator. Click here to log into Green Employee. Once you click on this option, it is going to bring you to another page. Here, in order to sign in, you first have to enter your email or mobile number. Now, if you do not have an account, you want to click on the register option. Once you click on this option, here you have to fill up some of the details. So go ahead and enter your first name, then enter your last name. After that, enter the date of birth and then your social security number. Then click on the continue option. After some more steps, your new account will be created. Once your account has been created, you can head back and then sign into your account. If you are facing any sort of issue while signing into your account, you can click on the Need Help Signing In option, and from there you will have to enter some of the details such as first name, last name, date of birth, social security number, and click on the continue option. Then Green Shade is going to help you access your account. After entering all your credentials such as password, you will be able to sign into your account, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.